Hey guys, so we are on our second duck hunt of the year. We're back out in the same spot we were for opener. We're unloading the trailer now as we speak, getting it ready for bed. There's deer outside. Alright, you guys, we're here at our duck hunting camp with Dad and myself. It's going to be November 1st and 2nd of 2025, so hopefully we can get some birds. Hopefully we can get some good footage for you guys and get some birds on the ground. So we'll see you guys bright and early in the morning. I know you will. I ain't worried about that.
Well, I thought what we would do is probably put you like here, and I'm going to go clear over there, separate a little bit.
Yeah.
And then once we know their flight pattern, we can move it.
Yep.
Because I think we're going to have to.
Kind of put ourselves let's almost make a horseshoe with the goose decoys.
One to the right and one more to the left.
Yep. Almost make a horseshoe, put a small line in the middle, and then put, you know, a dozen or so right around us.
Yeah, and kind of until we figure out where they want to go.
Oh, I think this video is going to turn out really good, actually. Cruising along. I'm gonna move my blind now. "20 minutes until 6:50 when we want it to be set up. I think we'll be right there." We got all the decoys set up, as you can see. We just got back to the truck. Gotta move this truck back into the sage line, get it out of the way so the birds don't flare off from it. See you guys back in the blind here in a minute. Shooting time.
Nice shot. Man, it snuck in fast.
Right there, Dad, right there. Shoot him.
How the hell do you not? Huh. I don't know.
I didn't have a shoulder, damn it.
Got one.
Yeah, I missed. I should have had two, at least.
Got mine.
Yeah. There we go.
Whatever it is. Okay.
How did I miss? Yeah. Thank you. Miss. Yeah. Thank you. Those fucking seagulls are gonna try and take them off. We're sitting here and we got a couple of ducks piece. Shooting hasn't been great. There also hasn't been a lot of birds decoying. It's kind of been. We're sitting with 3 teal and 1 spoonbill. Still got 10 more birds to go for duck limit, and then yeah, hopefully we can get some geese. So I don't know if you guys saw. Pretty sure I was recording the whole thing, but I dropped my GoPro. This one that I'm using right now in the pond. Hopefully we can get some more for you guys. Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm just amazed there hasn't been hardly any geese flying. I downed him. Oh, that's a nice freaking. Yep. It's got a nice orange color through there, though. I really like that.
It's not very deep out there. That's awesome.
Yeah. Cool. I haven't got a gadwall on the wall yet.
Are you ready for one?
Oh, hell yeah. You want a water? I need a water. That's a nice looking duck, though. Merganser. Ah, fuck it.
I was waiting for it to get between the decoys. I don't want to shoot the decoys.
Yeah. So we're at 9. Not bad. I mean, it's been a really slow day. Birds really aren't committing at all. But when they commit, they commit. It's rare, but they're doing it. We've had a couple of flocks of geese fly over. We had one flock that really looked at us. but they didn't want anything, so they kind of took off. Decoys are moving really good right now. Don't be looking at my decoys like that. Alright guys, we're back at camp. We just picked up everything. We ended up with 11 ducks today. Pretty good mixed bag, which is kind of exciting, but that's about it. Thanks guys for joining us on today's hunt. It was really fun. Birds didn't quite work like we wanted to, but that's the name of the game. That's hunting for you, so